How to find the refresh rate of your monitors in Windows 10. So all you have to do is from the desktop, just give it a right click and select Display Settings. And then from there, go ahead and scroll down. Make sure you've selected the monitor that you want to know the refresh rate of. And scroll down to the bottom where it says Advanced Display Settings. Select on that. And then you can also select between your displays or your monitors to see which the refresh rate for each monitor. So this monitor that I hear, my Dell P190S, which is an old 4x3, has a refresh rate of 60 hertz or 60 frames per second. If I switch it up to this VGA display that I have, it also runs at 60 hertz or 60 frames per second. And finally, my TV, which is my main monitor, also has a 60 hertz refresh rate or 60 frames per second. And that is how you check to see your refresh rate on your monitors in Windows 10.